There are condos, and then there's 474 Summer Street in Arlington. In a class by itself, this townhouse-style condo offers single-family living without the maintenance. Chic and inviting with dark walnut hardwood floors, the layout is bright and it opens to a combined living and dining area, flanked by a bay window on one end and a slider on the other. The kitchen is well appointed with 36-inch cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and natural gas cooking. The second level offers 2 spacious bedrooms, including a master with a walk-in closet. The freshly renovated bathroom features updated lighting, a new vanity, and wood plank porcelain tile. A basement with laundry, as well as pull-down attic, offers all the storage space you'll ever need, and 2-car deeded parking take this place to the next level. 3 miles to Alewife, bus transportation at your doorstep, access to the Minuteman Bike Trail, Spy Pond, and beautiful downtown Arlington.